Hi, welcome back to Mediocre Arts and Crafts. I'm Bug, and today I'm going to take you through how I created this set of North Pole shipping labels and packaged them so that you can sell them at your next craft fair or give them away as an early Christmas gift. All of the supplies will be linked down below in the description. Let me take you through it. The first thing you're going to do is cut a piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock down the middle at 4 1/4, and then you will cut each of those panels into 4 pieces that are 2 3/4 inch long, long. Something like this. This is 1/2 of an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. And then you can make an identical 4 more with the other half. So in the same vein, we are going to take some of our decorator cardstock today and make tags out of that. So the first thing that you want to do is look for some sheets that have one side that will be able to take a stamp well, that isn't too busy with an image, and then the back side can be, you know, whatever it is, maybe not a cut apart sheet because that would not be what we're looking for. Here I have 3 examples of what I used today. This sheet looks like snow on a light blue background, but when you flip it over, you see that it is from the Echo Park Under the Sea collection. So this piece will take a stamp nicely, and the image is not so busy or distracting that you won't be able to see the stamp. So I went ahead and from this 12 by 12 sheet, I cut a strip that was 4 1/4 inches, and then from that I cut the individual sections for the tags at 2 3/4 inches, just like we did with our regular white cardstock. This one is from the Summer Bliss collection. Same thing. It's got some bright stripes, but it's also got this side that will take a stamped image nicely and won't distract from the stamps. And then we have our Maymay Merry and Bright. Now for this one I have the 6 by 6. I went through and found a few different pages in here that have a more plain image on one side, and then something a little more fancy on the other side. And then I took a few of those out. And for this Maymay pack, we'll also be using this sheet here, and that has some little cut aparts, and this sheet here. Do you want to do crafts with me? You can't just smash everything with your face. Today we're going to be using the North Pole shipping label stamp set from Maymay Made It. I will have the link to this stamp set below. It is designed specifically so that you can get 8 tags out of one sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. You'll stamp the tag with the rounded top onto each of your sections of cardstock. You'll notice you can get about 1/8 of an inch border on all the sides. Here I'm able to get all of the inside images stamped all at one time. Of course, for something like this, you might want to use your stamping platform repositioner. Next, take your scissors and trim the extra at the top and go ahead and chomp your holes. Now you'll go ahead and take about 6 inches of ribbon, fold it in half, and feed it through the tag from the back. Before you put the ribbon tails through the loop, go ahead and put a piece of twine that's about 8 or 10 inches across the middle so that it gets caught back behind the loop. Then go ahead and pull up the ends of your twine and tie a little bow. So now we're going to go ahead and adhere a piece of Elizabeth Craft adhesive, and we'll leave the backer on so that when the person is ready to use it, they can just pull off that backer and adhere it to their package. Now we're going to take these little pieces that we cut from the cut apart sheet and attach it to the back of our tag. We're going to do that for each one. This one has some sheet music. Oh, let's see, I want it on this side. I want it to be consistent, so nope. This side, hello. This one has a smaller one. And this one. Now cut down a piece of acetate that is about 2 inches by 7 inches. You can use any kind of plastic sheeting here. Now for our packaging, we're going to go ahead and decide what order we want our tags in. And I think I want this one to show completely in the front. And these will just kind of nest underneath each other. We want to use the entire length of this strip of acetate or plastic because it is going to fill up our bag. So now we know how we want them. We're going to use the tiniest bit of either repositionable adhesive, dry repositionable adhesive, or repositionable glue dot to adhere these to the acetate so that when someone is ready to use them, they will pull right off. So that adhesive should go on the acetate and not on the tags. So now that we have our tags adhered to the acetate with repositionable adhesive, I'm going to put them in the bag. Now this bag, or I'm sorry, this adhesive is repositionable, so these tags will probably wiggle a little bit. So what I found easiest is to, this is a little sheet, a strip of cardstock that's left over from a previous project that I've done. And so it kind of is helping me keep everything down. And then as I put each tag into the bag, I flip the ribbon under. So that it will just kind of slide right in. I'm going to take this and slide it down. You can see this one is coming a little loose from that repositionable adhesive coming loose. So give them another smash. And the thing that we want here for this type of bag is that there's a gusset at the end, so we want the tags on top of the gusset and not underneath. So let me show you. There's the gusset. And so we want the tags to be on top of the gusset. So we just kind of slide those over all the way to the end. And now is your chance to just kind of line them up. And so we're just going to fold this over. So it's straight. You could, of course, fold it in if you want to put your seam, you know, kind of across the top here. But I am just going to go to where the bag ends and try to line up this piece of washi tape over the seam. Get rid of this little piece here. Oop. So there you have it, a set of North Pole shipping label tags that are ready to sell at your craft fair or to give away as a gift.
Here are the two sets of tags I made from the Maymay Merry and Bright collection.
This set from the Family Night collection by Carta Bella would be really cute for a Christmas gift of some board games or even, you know, video games. Since it's Family Night themed, it could be a camera or even a scrapbook, a handmade scrapbook. This set of tags that features the Under the Sea collection from Carta Bella would be really cute if you are giving something undersea themed for a gift, whether that is some goldfish or an aquarium or maybe even a tropical cruise tickets. For this set of tags, I used two different portions of the Summer Market collection by Carta Bella. This red buffalo check looks a little dark on the screen, but in person you can read the stamped images really well. The yellow and striped paper for this set of tags comes from the Summer Bliss collection by Echo Park. This set of tags with the really Christmassy deep red color and the floral backing comes from the Flora No. 4 collection by Carta Bella. Let's go. No, you can't just lay here, silly. So there you have it. If you're interested in more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great day. As you might have noticed, it is designed specifically so that you can get 8 tags out of one sheet of 8 and 11 1 sheet of 8 and 11 paper. Oh.